Just keeping a wary distance.
There's basically nothing left for the vultures there. They've had their meal already. Good morning.
Yeah, certainly moved.
A lot of cheetah breeding programs all over the country. There's actually more captive bred cheetah in this country than there are wild cheetah in the whole of Africa now.
You can't release them, can you?
Exactly.
She's not going to turn and look at us. There she is.
Yeah. Been born today.
Come in, promise. Built this channel for Zig. We're gonna go find a channel for the Zingri.
So comes out from the top jaw.
Is that from the top jaw?
Yeah.
Please. Oh.
They're the ones that are almost cute.
The stations myself and Zeppelin going to be following up on the doing with checks.
The baby's cute, but Mum's not very pretty, is she?
No, they're only cute when they're little. That's, yeah, they're all responding to that kudu barking as well. These hyenas. All three of them are here. So he's storing some of the twigs in his trunk. He eats them one at a time. Quite clever. They only do it in the winter, apparently. The rest of the year they eat normal food.
Pas mooie wiel, maar een mes, dat kan ik kijken dat het voor.
So he's now just checking where she got here. She was urinating there. So he's checking her scent. That's called a phlegm grimace. He's pulling the scent into the vomeronasal organ between the nose and the mouth. So he can pick up whether she's receptive or not. The chemicals in her urine. Life expectancy for a male lion is 10 years. So. Hugging each other.
It's